Let the chips fall where they may. We did the right thing. Now we accept the result. Many learners and teams freeze because they fear the outcome. They delay hard choices and lose time. Before we dive in, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Let the chips fall where they may means doing what's right or necessary and accepting whatever happens. In Korean, you can say 결과가 어떻게 되든 감수하다. Business example. We reported the real numbers to the client. Let the chips fall where they may. Trust builds on honesty. Everyday example. I told my friend the truth about the problem. Let the chips fall where they may. Our friendship should be genuine. If this helped, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. And watch for Wednesday's lesson. You won't want to miss it.